Soyez les bienvenus aux classes A2.2. Je suis Steven et je suis professeur à l'Institut d'études de la langue française. Dans cette leçon, nous allons apprendre la voix passive. La voix passive. C'est-à-dire passive voice. La voix passive. Et à la fin de cette classe, à la fin de cette leçon, vous serez capable d'exprimer les réussites et échecs. At the end of this class, we'll be able to talk about success and failure. Réussite et échec. Réussite et échec. That is success and failure. The verb essayer is to try. Essayer is to try. Un essai. Un essai. That's a trial. A try. You try to do something. Un essai. That's enough. Tenter is to attempt. Tenter, to attempt. Une tentative. Une tentative. An attempt. Une tentative. Marie a essayé de monter le pont. Marie a essayé de monter le pont. That is, Mary tried to climb the bridge. Mary tried to climb the bridge. The verb monter is to climb. Monter, to climb. Mary tried to climb the bridge. It was a trial. Je tente de finir le projet. Je tente de finir le projet. I'm attempting to finish the project. Tenter. Zoé a passé son examen hier. Zoé a passé son examen hier. Elle ne sait pas si elle a réussi. Elle ne sait pas si elle a réussi. Ce sont des verbes réussir, to succeed. Réussir is to succeed. To pass. So it says, Zoé wrote her exam yesterday. Passer is the verb to write an exam in French. Zoé wrote her exam yesterday. She does not know if she passed. Elle ne sait pas si elle a réussi. She does not know if she passed. Réussi. Un essai. So when you try, when you succeed in an attempt, réussi, un essai. Un essai is a trial, an attempt. We now have another way of expressing it. Arriver à. We always let arriver to be to arrive. To arrive. Arriver, to arrive. But we know when we have the preposition à in front of arriver à, it gives the sense of arriving at. Arriving at. Arriving at here now means that you have succeeded. You have succeeded. Arrive at doing something. Succeeded in doing something. So arriver à, to succeed in an achievement. C'est-à-dire, vous avez achevé quelque chose. Arriver à, vous avez achevé quelque chose. Elles ont réussi à l'examen. Elles ont réussi à l'examen. That is, they passed in the exam. They passed in the exam. Elles ont réussi à l'examen. Et je n'arrive pas à finir le travail. Je n'arrive pas à finir le travail. That is, I did not arrive at finishing the assignment. That is, I did not finish the work. I did not finish the work. I was not able to finish the work. I didn't succeed in finishing the work. Arriver à. In order to express a failure, exprimer un échec. Échec ici, c'est failure. Failure. Failure, échec. There's different verbs to express failure. You have échouer. Échouer is to fail. Échouer is to fail. Rater is to miss. Rater is to miss. Take notes. When we say rater, you're probably thinking of the verb manquer. Manquer. So it's also to miss, but most times we use manquer to say that you miss somebody or somebody misses you. Meanwhile, rater, you don't use this manquer to say that you miss an exam or you did not do an exam. Use rater. So when you have missing in search of failure, when you mean to express the word miss, is in terms of failure to do something. Raté, to miss. So you were not able to do, you didn't arrive at doing something. You missed it. We also have faillir. Faillir. Faillir is to fail. To fail to. Faillir is to fail to. And it is basically expressed in the past tense. It's basically expressed in the past tense. Faillir is to fail to. And then we use the il form. Il a failli. Exactement. Il a failli. Il fait tout. So, il a failli devenir chez moi. He failed to come to my place. Il a failli devenir chez moi. That's the way to express faillir. Il a failli de réussir à l'examen. Maintenant, c'est il a failli de réussir à l'examen. He failed to pass in the exam. Those are words or verbs to express failure. Du courage à la folie. Du courage à la folie. Folie is the word for crazy, craziness. So du courage à la folie, c'est-à-dire mad or craziness, courage to craziness. That is crazy courage. Crazy courage. When you have a courage that is really burning or fire or burning, that is very crazy. Okay? Il a du courage, he has courage, Il a de la volonté, he has will. La volonté is will. Il a de l'énergie, energy. Elle est courageuse. She is courageous. For masculine, we have had courageux. Feminine, we have courageuse. Energetic. Unconscious. So these are basic words to express réussir et échec, success and failure. These are basic words to express success and failure. We'll continue on the next slide. Merci beaucoup.